Good evening, guys. This is Orlet, and I wanted to come out and make a video of some invitations that I'm working on. If you can see my screen, it's a 3D explosion box. I'll show you from here. So it's this one right. Oops. This one right here, the 3D birthday cake explosion box. So when I brought it over, it's a masquerade theme, so I also used the mask and cut that out. So when you cut it out, you get this piece, and the top, and this. Hold on, let me make sure you saw that. I wasn't paying attention. So this is the base, the top, and your layers. And then I also cut out the mask, and I cut it twice to give it some thickness. And this is my finished product. So on the top I have a flower. There's beads. I didn't have colorful beads, so I had to go with what I had, which was silver. And then sorry about that. Hope nobody got dizzy. And then when you open it, this is what you get. Oh Lord, I apologize for that. I don't know what's going on with my tripod. But anyways, there's the photo, the cake, bling on the top, bling on the side. Here's the mask that I was telling you about, Mardi Gras, and this is the invitation information. So again, this is a 3D explosion invitation. I apologize for my tripod issues, and I hope to promise that would never happen again. But as I always say, I don't know how to edit, so my bloopers come with the video. Please don't leave a comment telling me about it. I already know the camera fell twice. Thank you guys for watching.